Have you ever wondered why we use letters in math? Why do we say x plus y equals something instead of just using numbers? Welcome to Easy Math Fun. Today, we're unlocking the secret world of algebra, the language that makes math come alive. The concept of algebra was first introduced about 1200 years ago by the Persian mathematician Al-Khwarizmi. The word algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr, which means restoration or reunion of broken parts, like putting together pieces of a puzzle. Algebra is basically an advanced form of arithmetic. It uses addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, but instead of using only numbers, we also use letters to represent unknown values. For example, in arithmetic, you might ask, 1 plus 5 equals what? Here, what is unknown? In algebra, we replace that unknown with a letter, usually x, y, or z. So it becomes 1 plus 5 equals x. The equal sign here shows the equality between known and unknown values, which is called algebraic equation. Now we can solve it. 1 plus 5 equals x, so x equals 6. That's the power of algebra. It helps us find the unknown. But what if we have more than one unknown? Let's say x plus x equals 10. There are many possibilities for x. Let's use 7 and 3, but it's confusing to have two different values of an unknown in same problem. That's why we use different symbols for different unknowns, like x and y. For example, x plus y equals 10. If x equals 7, then y equals 3. Different letters, different unknowns, but one equation. Now, can x and y be the same? Let's test it. For x plus y equals 2. X and y can be 0 or 2. Also, x and y can be equal to 1. So yes, different unknowns can have the same or different values in a problem. Algebraic expressions can include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And algebra isn't just for textbooks, it's everywhere around you. You use algebra when you split a bill with friends, compare discounts while shopping, or adjust ingredients while cooking. It's also used in science, engineering, business, technology, medicine, and biology. Algebra is called the language of logic because it uses symbols and rules to express and solve problems step by step. So next time someone asks, "What is algebra?" you can say, "It's the part of math that finds the unknown and helps us solve real-life problems logically." Thanks for watching Easy Math Fun. For more math magic, like, share, and subscribe.